Now, the Kangleipak Student Association KSA has appealed to both private and government schools in Manipur to suspend the process of admission. The directive comes in the wake of schools hastily notifying admissions based solely on the recently declared High School Living Certificate HSLC examination results conducted by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSIM. In a press meet held at KSA office in Kuyathong, HRD Secretary of the Association, Toijam Rana Kumar highlighted that following the HSLC results that declared yesterday, certain schools rushed to enroll students in their respective schools based on CGPA. Emphasizing the importance of empowering students to choose their preferred schools, he urged to conduct proper entrance examination. He maintained that the students must have the opportunity to select institutions that aligned with their interests, aspirations and educational goals. Citing that ongoing crisis has posed challenges for displaced students faced amid the HSLC examination, he raised concerns about students residing in relief camps and asked the schools about their steps for the displaced students residing in these camps. He further questioned the school to face any consequences if they fail to follow the case's appeal. He further calls schools to provide seats for students who are currently in withheld.
Board of Secondary Education Manipur, we BOSIM na loba, we HSLC gi classing examination si, we ngarang kadam khai tok kanda, yamna tian matam da, we yamna taha ba mong da, government school amasung private school sing kharana, yamna taha mong da admission process tawri ba sa, athu lepo da bani, duga makha tarak pada, we pangthok khipra exam sigi, CGPA gi grade ta yenga kanda, sigi merit list ta yenga kanda chhatra select tawna ba honari ba sa, masi tobiganu tongana entrance test ma koi pangthok piduna koi mahiroi sing khuding makki apamba school sing da mahi tamnu tanja ama pibiu hain haijari khumaduna taduna koi grade 1 na phangba mahiroi sing da hanna koi priority pira kanda admission process tawriba se khudut gi lepi gadabane dugi makha tarakpada haji nauna class bengi admission tawriba asida displaced student sing yoiba karamba tharang lakhalage haibase leba mayam da mek sina koi khangan biu